Make sure you're in a comfortable position and take a deep breath in and let it out. You can repeat these affirmations after me or to yourself. All is well. Even in times of darkness, I know that I am a source of light. I acknowledge that we are having different experiences right now. I honor my partner's experience. I honor my experience. I understand my partner may be struggling, and I still have permission to be happy. I am willing to be peaceful. I respect my partner's fears. I am open to being vulnerable. There is no one to blame. There is no reason to blame. There is only reason to love. I will wash dishes even if they aren't mine. I can only control my own reactions and actions. No one else causes my reactions. I am responsible for my reactions. I am a model of patience and kindness. I acknowledge it's easier to get frustrated in these times. I commit to taking a breath before speaking. I am intentional about creating personal space throughout my day. I am open to change. I go with the flow. I am willing to live in partnership. When we work together, nothing can stop us. I am committed to creating structure to support us through these times. I am willing to be happy. I attract an abundance of love. I allow love and peace to flow through this entire space. I welcome love and harmony. I am a source of light. I am a luminary.